Hello, my name is Eric Law, and today I'm going to present for my IEOR 190G class on patent engineering, more specifically on the smartphone patent war. As you can see, this week's format is a little bit different. I'll be using a PowerPoint presentation to present to you what my findings are on patent analysis. This is the second video of the series. Second video of the series that will bring you some of the analysis that I have on a patent that is currently involved in the smartphone patent war. So a little bit more of the background information on the patent that I'm working on right now. So this is a patent that's currently being litigated between Wi-Lan, who is the plaintiff, and Research in Motion, who is the defendant. Wi-Lan Incorporated is Canada's largest intellectual property enforcement firm, and Research in Motion, as you may already know, is a company that makes BlackBerry smartphones and the Playbook tablets. Wi-Lan filed a lawsuit against Research in Motion claiming an infringement of two different patents, and I'll only go over one of them during this series of videos. And this one that I'm working on has to do with the way that BlackBerries and Playbooks use Bluetooth to transmit data. So this patent has a number of 5515369, and it is titled Method for Frequency Sharing and Frequency Punchout in Frequency Hopping Communications Network. So here's a list of the inventors, assignee, the application number, and what's interesting is that it was filed all the way back in June 24th, 1994, which to my knowledge is way before when Bluetooth became available to the consumer market, and it was issued about 2 years later. So I think it's about the average time it takes for a patent to be processed and issued. So in this video, I'll mainly go over the first claim of this patent. It is very long, and the entire claim has 10 independent claims and a total of 14 dependent claims within those 10. I'll briefly read to you the very beginning of the first claim to give you an idea of what this patent is about. So the first claim says that in a communications network having a plurality of channel agile nodes, each node capable of transmitting and receiving data over a plurality of shared channels, said shared channels having a first order, a method for enabling the first node and the second node to follow shared randomized channel hopping band plan for transmissions to said first node while avoiding channel containing interference, comprising the steps of, and then it goes on for another 8 different dependent claims. So as you can see, the claims are fairly technical, and the first time that I read it, I didn't really understand it, and neither did the second. But in this particular video, I will not go into the technicality within these claims, and the main point of this video is to show you how how a claim could be like in a patent, and sometimes it could be pretty technical, just like this one that I just showed you. And I can also I'll also show you a couple more slides on the entire claim of this patent. So as you can see, next slide, there are a couple more dependent claims within the first one, and then there's also 2, 3, 4, 5, and more claims, and all the way up to 10 actually, which I did not include in this slide. But that is it for this week, and for the next week I will actually go over more in detail about how Research in Motion is actually infringing on Wi-Lan's patent. And for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.